went to Little India. Today we're going to go to Petaling, Chinatown. They sell everything you can get. Clothes, toys, shoes, socks, fabrics, whatever. Whatever you find, you can get it. They sell bags, toys, shirts, jewelry, hats. Opened area, there's no shade, and you can get whatever you find in the trees. This is like a night market. You just don't get the original things. Like, for example, they're saying Louis Vuitton. They actually don't. It's not the real. It's just fake. They just sell a copy of branded things. This is a night lamp, and one of my mother's friends, she bought it, but when she got home, she actually she can't assemble it because it's just too hard. So don't buy the things which are hard to assemble. Bargain for things over here and they'll give you. So the lamp was 100 ringgits, but my mother's friend, she bought it for 40 ringgits because she bargained. So as I said, this is a night market, and there are branded things, but it's the second copy of the first original things. But you can bargain as much as you like. For example, thing is $50, 50 ringgits, but you want it to be 20 ringgits. You can bargain like that. There are dresses here, and you can even eat, drink. Okay, Malaysia is black. Malaysia is like a very big border difference from Singapore. So like you can like almost smoke anywhere. You can almost smoke anywhere. You can vape in Malaysia. These are chestnuts. You know, like if you buy the souvenirs here, it's cheaper than other places. And these are chestnuts. These are mangoes. They're so cute. So we are drinking some fruit juices. I took mango and my mother took pineapple. They also give no ice. They charge 6 ringgit. Staying Malaysia is a very big border difference from Singapore. You can smoke anywhere, you can vape here, and you can cross the road, no follow rules also can, so yeah. In Singapore, it's the opposite. If you love street food, you can come here and buy some street food. They're selling durian over here. There's some durian and coconut and fruits. And the decorations, like to make it feel like it's Chinatown. hope you like today's vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And make sure to watch all my other videos. Bye-bye. Before we end, I'll tell you what is this tower. It is the Medaka Tower. It's not finished building yet.